There is a new tool I have been using called Vizard, and honestly, it is the single most useful thing I have found for creators this entire year. I am going to walk you through exactly what it does and how to use it, because if you make long videos and want more traction without spending hours chopping clips, this is for you. Vizard works right on the web, and it even has an iPhone app, which is super convenient if you want to manage your content on the go. You can just search for Vizard, sign up using your Google, Apple, or email account, and you are immediately ready to start. So what actually is Vizard at its core? Think of it like an AI-powered editor that watches your entire podcast, live stream, or vlog and pulls out the parts that actually move the needle. It identifies memes, hot takes, quotable moments, and punchlines, then turns them into ready-to-post clips for your socials. But it is not just about clip generation. It also manages a content calendar and helps you publish across multiple platforms seamlessly. Basically, it handles all the heavy grunt work, so you can finally focus your energy on creating your next big project. When you first open the dashboard, the layout feels incredibly familiar if you have used other social platforms or content tools before. You have a dedicated content library where all your uploaded long-form videos live and wait for your next move. The AI recommendations tab is the one I check first, because it is where Vizard surfaces clips with high viral potential based on engagement signals. Let me show you how to actually make these clips. Just hit the big plus button, upload a long video, and Vizard will transcribe the whole thing and run scene detection automatically. It even uses audience retention heuristics to auto-generate a batch of short, punchy clips in just a couple of minutes. You can choose your preferred clip length presets, or just let Vizard pick the best length for each specific moment. Each draft comes with a thumbnail and an AI-generated caption suggestion tailored for the specific platform you want to post to. Here is the part that blew my mind. You really do not have to micromanage every single cut. Vizard finds the moment, isolates it, adds a smart zoom for vertical formats, and suggests perfect subtitles. For example, I uploaded a long interview and typed an instruction to find the funniest moments, and it returned 8 polished clips. You can also be very specific by searching for a keyword to find exact timestamps and make clips around those bits. This is huge for creators who want to repurpose long-form content into targeted micro-content without losing the original context. Vizard also supports multi-person detection, so if you have co-hosts, it recognizes speakers and creates clips centered on each person. Privacy and control are definitely baked into the workflow. Clips land in drafts first, and nothing ever gets posted without your final say-so. You can edit the clip in a lightweight editor to trim a hair, change the thumbnail, or swap the AI caption. Once you are happy, the auto-schedule feature becomes a total time saver for your posting calendar. Tell Vizard how often you want posts to go out, and the AI will distribute your best clips across your entire schedule. If you work with a team or an agency, Vizard lets you add collaborators with different permission levels. The analytics are also simple but actionable, showing you exactly how your content is performing. Over time, it actually learns what works for your content and adjusts its selection heuristics accordingly. There is also a template system if you want a consistent intro or outro on every single clip. Now, let's be real and compare this to other tools out there. Premiere Pro is powerful, but if you are a solo creator, the time investment for manual edits and captioning is massive. CapCut is great for quick edits, but it is still largely manual and lacks the centralized calendar or batching intelligence. Vizard sits in the sweet spot for creators who need a smart, automated repurposing engine. One real-world example. I took a long tutorial, told Vizard to create 10 tip clips, and it generated 12 perfect ones. 2 of them blew up on my socials within 48 hours, saving me an entire day of work. For many creators, the return on investment is obvious when you look at how much time it saves. You can connect your YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn accounts so Vizard can publish directly for you. Before I wrap this up, remember that the AI is smart, but it is not replacing your unique voice. Use it to surface moments and save time, but keep the final say on the creative direction. If you are a creator sitting on hours of content, this tool will honestly change how you publish. I will put a link to a free trial in the description so you can poke around and see how it works with your own videos. Try it, mess with the settings, and tell me what clips it finds for you, because I really want to see your results. Thanks for sticking with me, and I will catch you in the next one.